Hey everybody, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given three rational numbers and we have to find the greatest among them. Now this is a very interesting question and we are going to use our analytical approach in order to solve this question. So the numbers are minus of 7 upon 15, 7 upon minus of 17 and minus of 7 upon 20. Now in order to make the question a bit simple, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the negative signs and we are going to deal with all the positive numbers, that is 7 upon 15, 7 upon 17 and 7 upon 20. Now we are going to determine these numbers, or rather we can say that we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So look carefully, what do you see? What's the common thing in all the three numbers? The common thing is the numerator. In each of these three rational numbers, the numerator is same. So we know that as we keep on increasing the denominator, the overall number becomes less. So among all the three numbers, the number which is having denominator as 20 is the least, and the number having denominator as 15 is the greatest. So let's arrange the numbers in ascending order. So it will be 7 upon 20. So it will be 7 upon 20, then 7 upon 17, and finally 7 upon 15, right? But in the actual question, all the numbers are negative. So what we have to do is we have to multiply minus 1 to all the inequalities. So it will be minus of 7 upon 20. Now we know that when we multiply both sides of an inequality by minus of 1, then the inequality reverses sign. So it will be minus of 7 upon 20 greater than minus of 7 upon 17 greater than minus of 7 upon 15. So from here we can say that minus of 7 upon 20 is the largest number among the three given numbers. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option B will be the required final answer. Now if you are having any sort of difficulty while understanding the given concept, then let me take a simple example. So the simple example is, let us plot a number line over here. So this is our number line. Over here we have the origin representing point 0. Now we have two integers, that is one integer is 2 and the other one is 3. Now 3 is obviously greater than 2, so let's write it over here. 3 is greater than 2, but if we multiply both sides of the equality by minus of 1, then now see what's happened. Minus of 2 now becomes greater than minus of 3, and it is justified from the number line because minus of 2 is present on the right hand side of minus of 3. So whenever we multiply minus of 1 to an inequality, then the number which was earlier greater becomes smaller, and here also the same thing is happening. Earlier 7 upon 20 was the least number among all the three given numbers, but now it has become the greatest number. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.